welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Giselle and I make lifestyle videos, everything from beauty, fashion, food, travel, and more. In today's video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me holiday party edition, and we are going to start with skincare and then go into the makeup look, the hair, the outfit. It's going to be a whole production, sweetheart. Keep on watching to see me transform from this to this. This isn't my normal filming setup, but I wanted to just kind of film in my living room because I do have like a nice dining room table and my vanity is currently a hot mess. So I figured, let me make this table a mess, might as well. So I am going to be starting off with skincare. I already washed my face and obviously washed my hair. What I am going to do is use this acne-free Witch Hazel Mattifying Toner Shine Control. I just started to use this product, so I don't really have any comments on it yet. I use this typically in the morning. After I use that toner, I go in with this Origins Original Skin Essence Lotion with Dual Ferment Complex. But I do like to put about 4 or 5 drops into my hand and then just kind of spread it around my face and then pat it in also. I feel like this really helps to get my serums to really absorb into the skin. I don't know, I've been liking it so far. After that, I'm gonna follow with this Pixie Vitamin C Serum. I put about 3 or 4 drops. Don't forget your neck either. The jury's still out with this serum. I haven't noticed any major changes, but I haven't noticed anything bad with it either. I'm gonna keep using it until it finishes and then I'm gonna try something else. Then I'm gonna go in with The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. I am running super low with this, but I do have a backup already. So I've been using this for about, this product specifically for about 2-3 months already, and I love it. It's become a staple in my skincare routine. I'm going to go in with these Patchology Flash Patch Wink Wink 5-minute AM PM eye gels. I've never tried this before, so this is gonna be my first time trying these eye patches. Apparently this pack has nighttime patches and then I guess daytime patches. Yes, they have restoring night eye gels and then rejuvenating eye gels. So I'm gonna apply these first. You ever have those mirrors that really magnify everything and you're like, wow, that's what my skin looks like up close? Now that I've applied those eye gel patches, I'm going to apply this Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask from Sue. It says 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna do the full 20. Feel this eye patch gel just like rolling down my face. So you place the black side down on your skin. I'm going to apply this. I look like Tin Man. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes, and while I wait, I'm going to finish editing and then I will be back and we will start the makeup application. I finished the mask. My face is looking hydrated, glowy. So I'm gonna add even more moisturizer because when I am going to a holiday party, I really want my skin to look flawless, effortless. I want it to be long lasting. So it's important for me to make sure it's really moisturized and primed very well. Sorry if you can hear like my computer in the background. Currently exporting my video. I feel like I could have cut it down way shorter, but I also am proud of the way it came out. Is the moisturizer that I was just referring to. I really do like it. It smells really good. I feel like it does a good job as a lightweight moisturizer. And then I'm going to use this Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Nude Glow. And I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. I like to have a little bit of a glow on those areas. The moisturizer has been sitting on my face for, I would say, about 10 minutes. Usually I allow like 20 minutes for the moisturizer to really sink in, but kind of in a rush because I still need to cook something for Thanksgiving. So we're gonna try to do this even under a strict time limit. For my T-zone, I'm going to be using this Peter Thompson Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfectors. And then for my cheeks and my forehead is going to be the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Radiance with Hyaluronic Acid. acid. So I really like this for the outer edges of my face because then I am super duper glowy. And when I apply any kind of foundation or any kind of highlighter, it's really going to stand out. Look at this. Wow. And that's what we're here for. We're here to glow. For my T-zone area, I am going to put this Peter Thompson.
Bitch, not only did you read that wrong once, you read it wrong twice. It's Peter Thomas Roth. Where are you getting Thompson? Where?
Roth Skin to Die For. I like to kind of really smooth and press into the skin for any areas that I don't want to shine. And now I'm going to wait a few more minutes and let this kind of soak into my skin, and then we're going to go straight into the base application. Okay, so I am ready to dive in. So what I'm going to do first, since this is a long-lasting makeup look, I'm going to apply some translucent powder to my T-zone. So I'm going to apply this ColourPop No Filter translucent powder. And then once I have that down pat, I do like to spray a little bit of Fix Plus. This is the coconut one, which I'm running super low on. I definitely need to get some more. Once this has dried, I usually have like some kind of paper that I use to like fan myself to have it dry faster, but I didn't bring one. We're just gonna use what I have here. As soon as it is dry, then I am gonna go in with this Photo Perfection Givenchy foundation. I did a whole review on this foundation. I will leave a link to that video up here and then also in the description box below. Check it out. The finish is just very natural but still flawless. I'm going to use this Moda brush to apply my foundation and my concealer. It is a small version. I think this is actually used for bronzing or for blush. So to have this one, it's easier to me get in those little crevices. My next door neighbor decided this was an amazing time to open her door and keep it wide open and blast music. So if you hear music in the background, wasn't me. Today is Thanksgiving, but when I post this, it will not be Thanksgiving. So I still have to get ready just to sit in my living room. Well, not my living room, my grandmother's living room, waiting for my boyfriend to get back from his mom's house. I still have to cook my dish for Thanksgiving. I finished editing, but I don't have enough space to have all these videos on there, and I kind of wanted to take time to edit out an intro for my Vlogmas videos, which this will be one of them. So I am having a little bit of difficulties because my hard drive does not support all this space I'm using for these videos. Okay, so now we're going to apply concealer, and I'm going to go in first with this Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is in the shade Neutralizer, I believe. Yes. It's not the first time my neighbor has done this. It's like her thing to leave the door wide open, but it's kind of annoying too because she's like petrified of our dog, and whenever we take him out for a walk and her door is open, he automatically like kind of like trying to look into her home, and every time either her kids or her are just like, oh my god. I'll never really understand why people are scared of bigger dogs and not of smaller, unless you were attacked by a bigger dog. Then I understand you having some kind of fear of them, but just to have fear of a dog because of his size, I don't know. I guess I don't understand it. Maybe someone can help me understand. If you're afraid of big dogs, can you just let me know in the comments below why? So now I'm gonna go in with this Shape Tape in the shade Medium Tan Sand. This one is a little bit darker than my current foundation. I applied my concealer, foundation. I spritzed on a little bit more Fix Plus just to kind of get rid of any cakiness. And now I'm just going to set everything with a powder. I'm trying out this Joa Selfie Ready Setting Powder in the shade Peach. So now that I've finished with that, I'm going to go in with this brush from Wet n Wild. My mood is like so low in this video. I need to pipe it up, ayy, pipe it up, ayy, ayy, while I get powder in my eye. I am going to be wearing a darker blue outfit for Thanksgiving, so I'm thinking I might do an icy blue look instead of a typical red. I'm not sure yet. I'm leaning more towards an icy blue than I am an actual red glittery eye. I am going to set my face once again with the MAC Fix Plus. I got this Anastasia foundation stick in the color Fawn. So I'm going to use this to contour. Use this brush from ColourPop and I'm going to start to blend out. I have made a conscious effort to just be more appreciative of the times that are, I don't even want to say easier, but be more appreciative of the times that I do have, the good times, and know that the bad times are just there to kind of help me grow as a person and mold me. Now I'm going to go in with the Bahama Mama bronzer. It's my favorite bronzer. I live, die, breathe for this stuff. Now I'm going to go in with this Shade and Light palette. So I'm also grabbing this Kat Von D, the Shade and Light brush. I love this brush for contouring. I'm going to add some blush so I don't look so dead. I'm going to be using this blush trio from Anastasia. This is Peachy Love. I love this. I mean, can you just see? Look at all this peachy goodness. Ugh. Now that I am done with the base of the face, I am going to be working on my eyes next. I'm going to start with my brows first. So I'm going to be using this Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in Soft Brown. I do think I want to get the medium brown because I used this more when I had blonde hair, but since I'm growing my hair out, I think me getting a tad bit of a darker shade would work better. I finished my brows and now I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to do, like I said, more of like an icy blue. So I'm probably just going to focus on using the bluer colors. So I'm gonna dip into Cute, Brain Freeze, and I may even dip a little bit into Soaked and Delicious. We'll see how this comes out. It's currently 4:02 and I need to get started cooking because we're supposed to be eating around 5 or 6 and it's gonna take me an hour and a half to cook. But I'm always late to everything, so I think I'm gonna grab Cute, apply it to my crease. Excited to see what I'm gonna come up with because I have no fucking idea what I'm gonna do right now. If you can hear my radiator in the back, I'm sure you can hear the radiator, the neighbor next door, my dog probably snorting like a pig. I apologize. Okay, so I did put Cute all over the eyes and now I'm gonna go into Brain Freeze and I'm gonna put that on the outer and inner. I decided I'm gonna do kind of like a halo type eye. That's just the direction I've been going in lately and I'm just kind of trying to perfect my halo eyes. Look, let's talk about it. There is a bit of fallout. I should have put some translucent powder underneath my eyes. It's getting on my nose, underneath my eyes. You can definitely see the fallout right here. Just see that? So this is what the eyes are looking like. Hi Vegas. Hi Papa. I'm going to apply lashes. I'm using this faux mink lashes from Violet Voss. They're called I Want It That Way. For the lip color, I am going to use Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. And I'm actually, because I don't have a brown lip liner, which you would think I would. I have every other color but brown, which I need to get definitely soon. What I'm going to use instead is my brow powder. And originally I was going to use lip gloss, but I figured it's Thanksgiving and it's going to completely come off if it's lip gloss and I get all over my face. So I'm going to use a liquid lipstick because at least I have a bit more of a fighting chance that it'll stay on my lips. Highlighter, I'm using this little sample I got in my Ipsy bag from the Balm called Mary Luminizer. And it's the Mary Luminizer highlight, but in a liquid form. And I am obsessed with this. I'm getting the full size. And then we're gonna see the final makeup look. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm probably gonna cook and then do my hair and then get dressed. And then I'll show you guys exactly what I look like because I'm running so behind. This is the final makeup look. My hair is obviously not done yet. I'm still wearing the Viva Bam shirt, which I will not be wearing downstairs. Plot twist, I did end up wearing that shirt downstairs. I originally had Celebrity Skin, but I saw this Snapchat filter where it kind of gave me red lips and I thought with this eye look, it looked so bomb. And at first I was kind of weirded it out to put blue and red together on my face, but I really like the way it came out. I mixed designer blood with red rum from Jeffree Star and I got this. So I am gonna start cooking my Thanksgiving side. It's 5 o'clock. I haven't even started yet. So I need to start that out and I'm gonna do that, do my hair, get dressed, come back, and then I'll show you guys the final look. So this is my Thanksgiving outfit. So this is like a sweater dress from Boohoo that I got last year. And I've only worn this one other time. It's actually like really warm and I love this kind of cowl neck. I do have a belt on, can't really see because I'm sitting. So this is the belt that I am wearing. It's from a skirt that I have from Agnes B, just to kind of cinch my waist in and make it look a little tinier than normal, because I feel like with sweater dresses I can kind of drown in them because I am big chested. Yes, this is the final look. I'll actually go a little closer so you guys can see the eye look, the face. This is the face I'm giving this Thanksgiving. I know Thanksgiving is over by the time you are watching this, but I do want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone that has watched this, and Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron.
Happy holidays, Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am always forever grateful for the opportunity to film, to have a camera, to film, to just talk to you guys and express myself. Really enjoy creating content and just being able to talk to people, even if it's just talking to a camera screen. I love it. I don't know why. It's kind of strange and it's in a weird way lonely, but it helps me get everything out from in here into a nice safe haven in my eyes. So thank you so much for watching this Get Ready With Me for a holiday look. I think it is very, very Christmassy and wintry at the same time. So even if you don't celebrate Christmas, it's still giving winter vibes with the blue. It's still available at Boohoo. I will link it down below. Thankful as always to you for watching this video and for watching any of my videos. Like this video if you like videos like this. Please be sure to leave me a comment down below next Get Ready With Me. If you guys have like a topic you want me to follow in the Get Ready With Me, for sure that would be easier for me, so let me know. Or for a specific look, I would love to do that too. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye. I'm about